Every dream still wears your shadow. Every dance still calls your name. Like a photograph still breathing, nothing here has truly changed. Your touch lingers in the silence, like the tide beneath my skin. Every heartbeat keeps on reaching, pulling me back once again. I've walked through seasons without you, still your light keeps finding me. Every road I thought would free me brings me where my heart still longs to be. I need you more than words could ever know, more than every wind that carries every whispered hope away. I need you more than hearts were made to lose, yeah. Every breath becomes a promise, every prayer still chooses you. Like a flame reaching for heaven, like the ocean needs the moon. No matter where this life may lead me, all I am still belongs to you. I need you. Every memory keeps unfolding, like the pages never close. In your eyes I found a shelter, more than anywhere called home. I've been learning how to stand here, but the distance steals my ground. Every step away from your love only leaves me more unwound. I can wear another smile, I can hide behind the days, but every quiet piece inside me still whispers your name. I need you more than words could ever know, more than all the skies above me, more than rivers flow away. I need you like the stars still need the night. Hey, every hope I've ever carried only shines inside your light. Like a soul that's found forgiveness, like the morning finds the sun. No matter where this life may lead me, you're the place I'm running from, only to run back to. I need you. If I could gather every broken hour, I'd spend them all with you. No fear, no distance, no goodbye left standing in the room. If this whole world disappeared tomorrow, one truth would still remain. I need you more than I could ever breathe. You're the only light I follow, you're the air beneath my wings. I need you through every fire, every storm. You're the reason hope keeps singing when my soul is weather worn. Like the dawn that breaks the darkness, like forever calling home. No matter what this heart remembers, no matter where these years have gone, you'll always be the love I'll never